In this video, we will look at section 1.2, 1.8. Section 1.8, difference of squares. And our central question will be, how do I factor a difference of squares? So let's just look at an example. Say we were looking at x squared minus 36. If we were doing this using the AC method, we could still do that. My a is 1. So 1 times, my c would be the constant, so my c would be negative 36. So I get negative 36 up top. And the b value is what's missing. Because remember, I'm always looking at ax squared plus bx plus c. And so if I have no b value, if I have no bx, what would the value of b be? The value would be 0. So now we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 36 and add to 0. I could say that's negative 6 and 6. So we're looking at this. We're looking at x squared plus 0x minus 36. And then we'll split our middle term. So 0 splits into negative 6x plus 6x. And bring down our minus 36. And now we can do our factor by grouping. I can factor an x out of the first group, and I can factor a positive 6 out of the second group. And then I get x minus 6 times x plus 6. And we're done. So this is the way that would work, and then you're consistent with always using the AC method. But there is a shortcut way. So say we're just looking at any two terms being subtracted, a minus b. Well, to factor these, I can really quick say, well, I'm just going to take the square root of a and subtract the square root of b, and I'm going to multiply that by the square root of a plus the square root of b. So let's say my two terms I'm multiplying are x squared minus 36 again. So we can just plug everything in. This is my a, this is my b, and I'm just plugging into my square roots. So I can say the square root of x squared minus the square root of 36 times the square root of x squared plus the square root of 36. And then we'd simplify this. The square root of x squared is x. Square root of 36 is 6. And then the square root of x squared is x. And the square root of 36 is 6. So when we have a difference of squares, x squared is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square, we can use this quick route to solve. And that's called a difference of squares. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.